Okay, so I'm over on the garage side of the house. We got a little bit of fascia damage here. All that looks good. Base down here looks good. That looks good there. Trim up here looks good. That fascia looks good. This looks good down here. That rain gutter's across there. That trim looks good. Tiny bit of damage right there, but it's not water. It's like it just got hit by something. Fascia here's kind of covered up, but nothing bad there. Up top, you can see past the trellis type of area, a little bit of water damage in that corner up there on the up above it. The rest, that whole piece looks good. No damage on the base here. That looks pretty good across there. That corner up in here through the trellis, you can see a little bit of damage in there, just a couple inches out. Let's see that. Space here looks good. A little bit of paint missing here. A little bit of damage there, but not much. A little bit of buckling right here where you can tell a couple of screws have been put in, it looks like. A little bit of water damage there, it looks like. Not bad on that end. Not bad. Tiny amount in this corner. That looks like maybe it could just be recalked. Going around the side here. Space looks good there. Fascia looks all right there. Pardon me. All that base looks good. Okay, on this side of the house, we're on the south side. I see a little bit of water damage right there. Lots of wasps out here today. A little bit more right here at this joint. No damage down here. And then here's probably the couple worst spots. This corner right here. None on the base. And then up here on this trim, that piece looks pretty good up until this corner. Right there, right here. This base looks good. And damage up at the front of the home now. A little bit of swelling and stuff in that corner. That doesn't look too bad there. And they've got them cut back a little bit, which I hear is a good thing. So it's off of the roof. And we're going to be adding some kick-out flashings to that, I think. Then you've got this piece here that's got a little bit of damage to it and some moss growing. The roofer can put kick-out flashing there. I don't see any damage to the base siding here. Oops, I gotta zoom out for you, sorry. A little bit here, not on the base. All that looks pretty good. Tiny amount up here in that corner, but it's lifted also. All that looks pretty good, and I see kick out flashing up there. Same thing here, they've got it notched up pretty good. All that siding looks good. Oh yeah. Tiny bit here that does have the kick out flashing, a little bit bad. Yeah. good, and we're back to the start where we had that corner there.